Want to remove your saved card info from Temu? Here's how to securely delete it. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now, log into your account. Here at the top right corner, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it to go to your profile. Now, go to Payment Methods. Here, find the card you want to remove and tap on it. Select Remove next to the card details. Confirm and your card info will be removed from Temu. It's always good practice to review and update your payment methods regularly. Have you ever removed your card from Temu before? Let me know your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.